Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2001 Nissan X-Trail. It comes with 63,512 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is also 4-wheel drive. It is a factory right-hand drive vehicle with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. We'll start with the driver's side. These seats do stow away to create more cargo room. It does come with a backup camera. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. It also does go away. The door is open and I do not have my seatbelt on. Alright, the number that you're looking down at the bottom, 102,214, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 63,512. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Starting on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.